So, to make an LED blinker using an Arduino, we first need a few components. We need an Arduino board, a LED and a 220 ohm resistor. Now in the simulator, we will add Arduino, LED and a resistor and set resistor value to 220 ohms. Now we will connect the resistor's one terminal to pin 13 of Arduino and the other terminal to LED's positive terminal, and we will connect the LED's negative terminal to ground. Now let's write the program. First we will define a variable named LED and link it to LED built-in. Here LED built-in is pin 13 on the Arduino. Then we will set the LED pin as output by using pin mode function. Now in the loop function, we will first make the LED pin high by using digital write function. By doing so our LED will turn on. Then we will add a delay of 1 second by using the delay function. The delay function only accepts time in milliseconds, so we will add 1000 milliseconds. Then we will use the digital write function again to set the LED pin low to turn off the LED. Now we will again add a 1 second delay to keep the LED off for a second. After that, the code will loop over and turn on the LED again. Now we will test our code by running the simulation. As you can see, our LED turns on for a second and then turns off and stays off for a second and repeats the process. You can also change the delay values for a faster or a slower blink intervals.